Well, me and Vanya and Sean, actually we're waiting for Sean right now. We're gonna go down to Daejeon train station. We're gonna buy some tickets, train tickets.
Why?
Why? Well, we're gonna go to Seoul for New Year's Eve, so we need to buy the tickets a little bit earlier to make sure that we get the tickets. Yeah, so we're gonna have Happy New Year in Seoul. So we're just waiting for Sean. And he's like,
And which day?
Colossus waiting for him. Which what?
Which day?
December 31st, New Year's Eve. Yeah, so we need to get tickets for 2:30, I think. 2 o'clock, 2:30.
And the 31st, and what time we'll go to Seoul?
Well, about 2:30, 3 o'clock, whichever tickets we can get. We're going to go on the old train, the Mogamwa. Yeah, not the KTX, not the bullet train, the slow train. Why?
Is it big like an Airbus?
Like an Airbus A380? I don't think so, Tim. No, it's an old train, but it's I like the seats on them. They're really comfortable. The KTX, the bullet train, does not really have comfortable seats. So we're gonna go in the Mogamwa. Maybe we'll get a nice dining car even. You can even eat, and some cars even have internet cafes in there. Yeah.
Isn't that train have the internet?
Yeah, well, yeah, you could do internet.
How much internet percent? 100% internet.
Percent internet, I don't know.
Are they free internets?
Yeah, it's free. Well, you could use it for free. Yeah. Что тут дядя проходит? Yeah. Should drive up a little bit. Drive up.
Stop. Your door is open.
Door ajar, right?
Even a taxi with the trunk open.
I know. We saw a taxi that had the trunk open.
Black.
Yeah, and I don't think he knew what was going on. But we didn't videotape it, so...
That was like cool.
That was cool. Hey, there's Sean. There, go get Sean. Run up to Sean. Go get him.
Okay.
Go get Sean. He doesn't know that we're here.
Sean!
Hi. How are you?
Good.
So what's new?
Go on the seat.
Ah, you're taking a video of me.
Yeah.
Ah. Where are you guys going?
Into the train station.
To the train station? Oh, fantastic. And what will you do at the train station, Vanya?
We already said that.
I already said that. To buy train tickets, right?
Okay, get in the car and let's go. And where Sean went.
Sean forgot his wallet. So I told him, I said, we're going to the train station. He's like, okay. And then he comes, he forgot his wallet. Now he forgot his door key, so he can't get in. I don't know, now he's walking around his apartment entrance trying to figure out how he can get in. So, I don't know.
And how he closed the door.
I don't know, we'll have to find out what happens. Ah, here's Mark.
Where?
Hello, Mark!
Hey.
What's up? Sorry for blocking your
That's right.
walkway here.
I've seen some of the videos you post. Your kid is cute as hell.
He's actually videotaping you right now.
He speaks like 3 languages or
Yeah.
more than that, maybe.
Yeah, buddy, say hi, Mark.
Hi, Mark.
Hey, I'm impressed, buddy.
We're making the latest one is we're picking up Sean right now. We're gonna go to the train station. We're gonna get tickets because we're going to Seoul for New Year's Eve.
Oh yeah? Is there anything good there?
to my house to get my wallet. Because that's where my key card is. But that's why you guys go ahead.
All right, okay, Vanya, jump in the front. Vanya, jump in the
Okay.
front.